lovely subscribers and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Zombie. In this video I am telling about one of the best crypto meme project which is the name of Quadrox. In this video I will explain each and everything detail. So disclaimer, this video is educational purpose only. It is not my financial advice. Please do your research. You can make for any investment. I am not responsible any profit or loss. So let's start the review now. So welcome to Quadrox. ChatGPT and DeepSeek artificial intelligence predict Quadrox and will be worth of $0.16 by end of 2025. That's over 1000 plus profit. So guys, now you can check out this amazing detail about project, and now you can see about how to buy this token. It's the best opportunity to buy this token, and here's some detail about tokenomics, roadmap, contact, and buy now. So exchange and community, here's some exchange and community. Let's start first exchange in a DEX tool, and second PancakeSwap. Now you can check out and the advantages of Quadrox bear. Quadrox advantages. Now you can see this tutorial video on YouTube. Their community, Quadrox go to Mars and don't touch the pole. So now guys, you can check out each and everything detail. It's the best opportunity to buy this token. This token in future this price very high. About Quadrox. Quadrox has been is the formative of animal resources and protection since our funding as a global animal welfare organization in 2015. For over 10 years, we have been lending voice in animal welfare. We lead in the way and fighting culture, rezoning and secure adoption for animals is needed. Any marketing certificate and linguistic chance of protect their life and well-being that have ultimate change the way to people think about animal and the care. Quadrox is a unique coin that offers protection for the homeless animal. Through the purchasing of a token, we have planning a large-scale promotional campaign. That collaboration, who share our value, Elon Musk, Pmol and Rome and many others speak about Quadrox mission. Here, access to vegetable care and crisis response and shelter partnership and policy intelligence. Here's some map, and now you can see 4 steps to buy this Quadrox token. So here's some official contact address. Now you can simply tap and you can copy. So first of all, you can create a wallet. Download Phantom MetaMask wallet or your partnered wallet from the App Store or Google Play Store for free. If you are using DEX tool, simply visit MetaMask to download that Google Play Store extension. Second, transfer USD to EasyBit exchange. If you are not already registered EasyBit, go through and simple registration to make a USDT deposit of your account from MetaMask wallet if you have any wallet. Go to USDT Quadrox trading pair and go to USDT Quadrox trading pair and buy your Quadrox coin. You are now lucky owner of the most promising coin in the world. Take care with them, don't sell them. You can get rich with them. Stacking 30% guys. You can also quick transfer your Quadrox token because your desktop wallet, but you are better keep them and exchange and get fixed percentage at their holder because we'll see enable stacking with an interesting rate of 30%. Quadrox Nilia. Quadrox, and now you can check out this token in the collaboration, and it is a huge potential profitable project. Total supply guys, now you can check out this highest total supply, community government, zero tax, LP token burn, fair launch and stacking. Roadmap, now you can check out guys this again roadmap and Q1 25 22 and Q date. Simple social media development website listing on DEX and social medias and Maxi, and now you can check out this Q3 4 and Animal Care Center. Welcome to Quadrox. Revolution Innovative once Quadrox a market capitalization $1 million. We will launch a program to build more hopeless animal care center around the world. Our mission is simple: to provide a still a good and love to everyone with animal. With your story, you can make a dynamic difference in lives. Guys, buy Quadrox to save a life. Here's some official contact address. Now you can simply tap and you can copy. Do you love Quadrox? Yes, I really love. And now you can check out some social media community. I have placed official link in my video description. So how to buy this token on Quadrox web details. I understand. So now I have and reject all innovation cogs, and now you can trade and you can buy this token on the Soshi. So now first of all you can connect your wallet easily. MetaMask, any wallet you can connect, guys. And now you have some BNB. So now you can tap and now you can buy this token. So I have some BNB now. Let's suppose I tap 1.01 BNB. So guys, now you can check out this token I will get, and now you can swap your token. Limited explore trading and stacking platform, guys. Now you can see price, impact, max receive, minimum receive, guys. Now you can check out fees 0.256. It's a normal fees, guys. And network fees, guys. Now you can check out this source. So now you can swap your token and you can buy this token on a Sushi exchange. Let's start. Next exchange is PancakeSwap. So guys, it's one of the best crypto exchange. You can buy this token. It's a best opportunity. So now you can connect your wallet easily. Any wallet you can connect, and now you have some USDT. So let's suppose I have enter 3 USDT. So now you can check out, you can get this token. So you can swap your token and swap and limit it. And guys, now you can check out this PancakeSwap, all detail. You can swap this token. So here's some detail about this platform, Azeblit exchange. So you can buy on token in Azeblit exchange, limited other marketplace, guys. And let's pause our price, guys, and now you can see this trading graph, and like that now you can check out this all of information. Welcome to Azeblit. You can sign up or login, guys, and you can sell amount and limited other, guys. So guys, next detail about on a coin market cap exchange listing. And now guys, you can check out about this price graph, and like that now you can check out this price USDT and market cap $1.35 million and volume 23.83k dollars. FDV, now you can check out, guys, liquidity, FDV, and 24-hour volume. So guys, now you can check out this latest trade history, like that you can see. And now you can check out this about DEX tool details, guys, and here's some detail about this DEX tool, like that. And market cap, now you can check out, and liquidity, holders, supply, total supply, and total supply volatility detail, and guys, trade history, like that now you can see. And guys, now you can check out this official Twitter account QuadroX, and now you can must be follow this official account. ChatGPT, a DeepSeek artificial intelligence product QuadroX, and will be a worth of $0.16 end of the 2024. The one of the 1000% profit. So guys, you can see this amazing project, and now you can check out this official Twitter post. You can must be follow, and you can must be follow and like share on the Twitter account. So I have placed official link in my video description. And guys, now you can simply subscribe our YouTube channel and QuadroX. I have placed our official link in my video description. So here's some detail about this project. Binance here, guys, and now you can check out inspiration on the ChatGPT. And guys, now you can check out multiple AI system has providing cryptocurrency for rest of the 2005. After analyzing data collected will help to artificial intelligence analyze different analytics and the highest growth in different 2025. So guys, now you can see 0.4 and processing fees, and like that, guys, now you can check out this production about Binance, your details about this platform. It's the best opportunity, guys, to buy this token and earn money online. It's a huge and buy Quacks. It's a very amazing project. Link in video description and advertisements about, guys. And now you can see this tokenomics, how to buy, about, and contact detail I will share you. Now you can check out all of details. So I hope all you clear. See you soon next video. Okay, goodbye.